Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. For the next 30 days, I am taking on a massive challenge. I am going to turn $0 into $1,000. That's right, starting with absolutely nothing. A lot of people think you need money to make money, but I'm here to prove that's not true. Here's my game plan. Week 1 is all about generating that initial cash. I'll be hitting up freelance platforms and finding free items to flip for a profit. Every single dollar is going to count. For week 2, I'll take those early earnings and reinvest them into creating a digital product. Think of books, guides, or templates, something I can sell over and over again. Week 3 is when we scale. I'll be creating content and maybe even running some ads to get my product out there to a wider audience. Finally, in week 4, the goal is to automate the sales process and multiply my income streams. This journey is all about showing what's possible with a bit of hustle. Want to see how it goes? Comment part below to follow along. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a single update. Thanks for watching.